Hey, here's me again. And see the plane. Here we're close to the airport. So you can see it here. So there's a lot of planes around. Um, I am outside and it's already fall. And here is the beach. You can see from the house here. My house. The cat. My house. From this window, you can see the beach. Here is the way you take every day to go to school. Here's a house. There's a guy working. I don't know who he is. And that house is from, I think there are three sisters. The oldest is Monica's friend, Helen, and she's going to South Africa in 1 week. And the other one, I don't know her name, and she's Mohati's friend, and I just saw in a windsurfer, I think. Don't know, yeah, there's a lot of wind, then people come here to windsurf. Can you hear it? The sound of the beach? Isn't this just amazing? Being around of all this green and all, it's incredibly beautiful being here. And, it's so different from the buildings and cars and all those things. Okay, the cars here. There's a lot of people who go to work by bicycle. I'm one of them. And I think this is just amazing. Seeing all this and living this experience with everything is like so amazing. I always say that the world needs a little bit of ground because everything looks so much beautiful with my eyes, with my sunglasses on. The sky doesn't look that aggressive blue it used to look when you're not wearing sunglasses. It's so beautiful. Yeah, I'm saying the word beautiful a lot because look at this. How can you think about something else? You know, the cute house and it looks so tiny and from fairy tales. The houses here look like they came from European fairy tales, which I think it's so fantastic. The first time I came, I just said, I feel like I'm in a movie. Because, yeah, I think my life would be a good movie. And good movies begin with a good plot. Yeah, my life has a good plot. And I was talking, I have pictures